This program will give you everything you need to design your own nutrition, health, meal planning, dieting, and built-in Macel package based on real and medical science. Your anatomy, physiology, and genetics are important factors when it comes to nutrition, health, and fitness goals. This program will provide you with not only a guideline, but the reasons and the real science behind every nutrition and fitness practice. Since I joined the University of Medical Science, I started being interested in nutrition science and enjoying combining the fact of how nutrition affects our body and how our body reacts or responds to food in either getting leaner, puffy, building muscles, getting sick, or getting stronger and higher energy levels. Since the age of 13, I've been suffering from hormone disorders, ovarian cysts, and many other period problems. And I was on treatment for many long years, from doctor to doctor, until I joined medical school, where my nutrition discovery journey had started, and then all my whole lifestyle and health state have been changed for better. And since then, I started enjoying the science of dieting and developing a lovely relationship with food, and best of all, understanding and respecting my body. Through my work in the hospital with patients, I've helped thousands of people achieve their health and fitness goals. I am a doctor of dental surgery and nutritionist certified. I am a swimmer athlete, and I work online with clients and help them through my online programs to achieve their fitness and health goals. Do you want to lose weight? Do you want to build muscles? Do you want to have a healthier lifestyle? Do you want to know more about food and nutrition science in general? Do you want to understand and to live in peace with your body? What if I promise to be at your side the entire way, helping you avoid the scams, pitfalls, and problems that most people fall into, helping you systematically achieve your true genetic potential, and basically doing everything I can to see you achieve the best body you have ever had? Imagine if you got up every morning, looked in the mirror, and imagine the boost in confidence you would feel if you didn't have that belly fat anymore, or if you were no longer that skinny person, but instead you were that ripped, strong, and confident person. Imagine just after a couple of weeks from now being constantly complimented on how you look and asked how the heck you are doing to make such startling gains. Imagine enjoying the added benefits of high energy levels, no aches and pains, better spirits, and knowing that you are getting healthier every day. Well, you can have all of these things, and it is not nearly as complicated as the fitness industry wants you to believe. It doesn't matter if you are 21 or 61, in shape or completely not. No matter who you are, I promise you, you can change your body into whatever you want. So, would you like my help? If you answered yes, then you have taken a leap, not a step, toward your health and fitness goals. Your journey to the ultimate nutrition masterclass begins as soon as you click on this button.